All right, good morning. Back to the Cryptos and 10 channel. Welcome. What we have here, QUANT USD Tether on QCoin. Just wanted to kind of go through another little trading strategy I've been kind of finessing. Simple, just very few indicators, and it's something that you can watch through your alerts. All right, so we have all the alerts set up, and then basically as the alert comes out on the phone, you can get on your app, and if you choose to, you can make the trade. This is just trading suggestions, some strategies that I've used here for the last couple years now. Use different ones at different times in the market. This one right here I just used with the 21 day, which is a 3-week basically in the crypto market, because 7 days a week, they're open 7 days a week. So it's basically a 3-week marker here. I used a 4-hour, so I'm using multiple time analysis, which is basically I have a 1-day indicator on my Heikin-Ashi candle. I have a 1 week, and then I have the 200, which is on the daily, the 200 daily, the 21 daily. All right, and that's all set up on the 4-hour chart. And basically all you have to do is open up. If you go to indicators, go over here and go to multi, and you can just type it in exactly. You got to have that hyphen in there. If you put that hyphen in there, it'll pull them up. All right, so multi-time period charts. See, it's the same thing. So you're going to click on that, and I'm just showing you, just going through one here. All right, so that's the one we had open. Here's the one that just opened right now. All right, so you're going to go to settings, a little gear. You're going to go to inputs, and then you take off the auto time frame, because the auto time frame means whatever chart you're on. Then you go to time frame, and you can put whatever you want on that one chart. Okay. You can go down here to daily, weekly, 4-hour, 3-hour. Okay. So basically that's how you set that up. You go to indicators, then pick it, and then come to inputs and just set it up. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Don't need that one. That's a monthly. I mean, you could have it on there if you wanted to. I just wanted to try to get this as simple as I can. When I get an alert, I like to just go look at it. That's why I did and have done what I've done, is, leaving my career after 17 years. And I do this. I do some other things at the house. Just kind of do what I like to do when we really want to go ahead and do it. All right, so we got the 21 to 200, the weekly, the big square, and then the daily. Okay, and what we're looking at here is we're looking at QUANT. Okay, this is back on July 3rd. Now, back testing is not any results of future or anything like that, but you have to put in your mind that you're going to go buy the trade. So as I've always said, and I've said on various videos, but it's, you want to plan the trade and then trade the plan. Okay, so when you're back testing, to really see what you would get, you have to stick to that, even though you look down here and you look like it might have went up 30%, and then in one day it dropped 20%. Just stay with the plan that you stay with the trade that you plan. Okay. All right, so right here, if we were looking right here and we didn't see all of this, so if you wanted to, we could like move it way over here. Okay. All right, so then at 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, July 3rd, you'd have looked at this at the end, which would be at 8 o'clock at night, at the end of that candle. That's when pretty much the markets close. All right, in July. So then you have a close above the 21 day. You have a red weekly, a green daily, and you're below the 200. Now your RSI is over here. The 4 hours at 52 and the 1 day is at 45. So being the red weekly candle and you're above the 21, I just make it real simple. I just have a 25% of my total trade bag in a trade. All right, and then I just continue to watch it. All right, continue to watch it, continue to watch it, and then here we have, I get a morning, look at the charts, and I got a weekly weekly buy candle. I got a daily buy candle at the current, and then I got a 4-hour above the. And here, if I look, all right, because I'm green, but I'm not yet on the RSI 1 day above that 50. I'm putting at 50%. Now I'm bumped up. I bought more in. Okay. Now keep going, and then here it's at 4 o'clock. When I look at the 4-hour candle, I'm above on both RSI. I'm above the 21. I got a green in the daily, weekly. I'm gonna go all in, 100% of my trade bag. All right, I'll just continue to watch it. Now remember, I have alerts set up on the 21-day moving average and the 200 also. That helps me. I don't have to look at the market all the time. All right, we'll just keep watching. All right, now right here, we closed above the 200. So we're probably going to have a little pullback. 200 is a very, very psychological point for a lot of people. As you see, it just meandered right around that. Okay, but nothing to where we want to, you know, trade the trade or anything like that. We don't have any signals yet. We're just going to let it go until we get a signal. Okay, you're going to keep going. You just keep watching it. All right, so then I get an alert at midnight on July 25th. Okay, now I wouldn't trade that because I'm going to try to trade it. I'm going to try to back test it as though I would trade it. I don't get up in the morning till after this candle closes right here, which is the midnight candle. All right, we get up. I check my alerts. All right, so what we have here is we're below the 200. We're below the 21. We have a green weekly and a red daily close. And a 4-hour. Okay, we have a red, not daily close, but a daily candle, which is red. And my RSI, my 4-hour, is below my 50. I'm going to set that at 50%. Now I'm going to sell half of what I bought down here. Okay, and just continue to watch it. All right, then I get another alert right here. Okay, but I won't get up till after this candle. And when I look at my RSI, it's not up yet. Right, it's not above. The daily's above the 50, but my 4-hour is not. So then I come over here, and I'm right at 50, and now I'm buying in 100% again. You just continue to watch it. Okay, and just continue to watch it. Now it's above the 200. Now it's bounced off that 200. So now we're really kind of moving. All right, and then over here, right here, 4 o'clock in the morning when I get up and check the candle, I got a red weekly, a daily weekly, or daily red going on, a weekly red going on, sell candle. All right, and my RSI, my 4 hours below my 50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this because it's such a strong downward pressure and it's red. If it was green, I would change it to 50, but it's not. All right, so we're going to change it to the blue. All right, and then we just watch it, and then we're watching for alerts. We have the alert set up on the 21. So now we get a 21-day moving average on the 4-hour chart right here at 8 o'clock, which would close at 12 noon. And I look at that now, and I'm red here. I'm red on the daily. I'm below the 50 here at the 4-hour. Okay, I'm still above on the daily. But I have 3 out of 4 of those that are bad signals, that are sell signals. So I'm going to sell 100% of my bag. Of my trading bag, of my trading portfolio. All right, so then we just watch, and now look, it's a red weekly. All right, we're all the way up into September now. We're just red. Okay, boom, I get another alert right here for the 21 day. Okay, I look at it, I pull it up. It's 12 o'clock, so that's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I look at it, I got a red weekly, I got the green, and here we go. We're above the 4-hour, and we're going to put 25% on that. Now, we come over here, and we're green daily. We're above the 21. We're above the RSI on the 4-hour and the daily. and I'm going to bump that up to 50%. I'm still red on the weekly, so it's a lot of downward pressure of a longer time frame. I'm not going to go all in yet. Come over here. All right. I wake up in the morning, and everything is above, everything is green. I'm going to go 100% in. Now, it did come down a little bit, but that's part of the trade. That's why I say you can't back test it like what you see. You got to back test it off of the plan. All right. So we come down, we get an alert right here. Okay. But I'm still above the daily. And that alert would have come in at midnight. So there's the other one. All right. So we closed above the 21 right here. So I'm going to still let it ride. Let it ride. Okay, here we go. There's the close. There's my alert. It's at midnight. I wouldn't get it till here. I would go ahead and do the 50%. I know it's green here, but I'm below the RSI here. I'm below the RSI there. And we'll just watch it. Now, we come here to this candle at night, and we're above, but we're not quite above on the RSI there yet. I could take it, but I'm going to wait. And then here at 4 o'clock in the morning, get up, checking charts. Everything's above, everything's green. Right there. Okay? Then you're just going to keep rolling, keep riding it. Look, no alerts. It just keeps going, and we're here today. Okay? So that's the simple trading strategy using the 21 200-day moving average. Leave some comments in the comment section below, and we'll answer those questions you have. Let's do one more thing real quick. Let's go back over here to let's look at the Dow real quick. So we got the Dow up again. We talked about this yesterday in the video, talking about this divergence right here. We have the divergence set up from the candle right here. All right, so we had that divergence going up. All right, NASDAQ, same thing, going up on that. And we're up on that. And now what we did is we gapped here. We're down, but we're actually gapped up for the open. All right, so that's where we're at with that. So we'll watch that over the next couple days, and we'll see you in the next one.